Hey everyone, so I've been working on a new app and building it completely in public. And you know what? After about 4 days of coding, the very first version is ready for a little show and tell. It's a daily readings website, and in this quick explainer, I'm going to walk you through the MVP, the minimum viable product. So what's on the agenda? It's simple. I'm going to show you exactly how the app functions right now, touch on the super simple tech that's making it all work, and then, most importantly, I'll share the roadmap for what's coming up next. Let's dive in. All right, so first things first, what's the core problem I wanted to solve with this? Well, it all boils down to one simple idea: creating a completely frictionless experience. I just wanted to build a simple, meaningful tool that you could check every day without any hassle at all. And this slide really gets to the heart of it. You know the drill, right? So many of these reading sites, they immediately throw a sign-up form in your face, or they're just cluttered with pop-up ads. For my MVP, the goal was the exact opposite of that. We're talking zero friction, a focus on being simple and meaningful, and making sure privacy comes first. Okay, so with that goal of simplicity baked in from the start, let's get into how the site actually works. It's all designed to get you your personal daily insight as fast and as directly as possible. Every single day, the site gives you 3 things, all in one clean spot. You get a personalized daily horoscope, a reading based on your numerology life path, and a classic 3-card tarot spread. The whole idea is just to give you a quick, insightful start to your day. Now, this user journey is where that zero friction goal really comes to life. The very first time you visit, you just pop in your name and date of birth. That's it, just once. The app then saves that info locally right in your browser, so every single time you come back, you go straight to your fresh daily readings. No logins, no passwords, no repeating yourself. So let's peek under the hood a little bit. For the tech side of things, the goal was exactly the same as the user experience. Keep it as simple and as fast as possible, especially for this first version. For anyone curious, this is a pure front-end build. We're just using the classic trio: HTML, CSS, and good old JavaScript. The really crucial part here is that there's no big, complex backend server. The magic that makes the site remember who you are is a browser feature called local storage. So what in the world is local storage? Honestly, the best way to think about it is like a digital sticky note that a website can leave on your browser. It's just a simple, secure way to store tiny pieces of info like your name and birth date so the site can use it again the next time you visit, all without needing a database or servers. And even though the experience is super clean right now, I'm also trying to plan for the future. I've already built in some placeholders for non-intrusive ads. This is just to have a way to support the site as it grows, but they're placed really carefully so they will never, ever get in the way of your readings. The user experience is always going to be the top priority. So this MVP is really just the starting line, right? It's the foundation. But I have a pretty clear roadmap for where this project is headed next. Okay, here's the immediate to-do list. First up, and this is a big one, I need to implement the logic so the content actually changes every day. Right now, all the readings are just static placeholders. Next, I want to go through and write much better, more engaging copy for all the sections. After that, I'll be focusing on SEO to help people actually find the site. And finally, adding some simple analytics just to see how people are really using it. And that brings me to you. Since I'm building this all out in the open, I would genuinely love to hear your thoughts. Looking at what the app does now and what the plan is, what do you think is the most important feature I should build next? Let me know. Seriously, thanks for following along on this journey.